to mommy. Say something, Eric.
Alexander. Alexander.
Oh.
Alexander. 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 I'm going to send this video to Daddy. Alexander.
Your footstep.
Say Daddy needs to hurry up.
Who's giggling?
Alexander.
Oh, he's rocking.
He might actually crawl before Addison.
That's the first step to crawling is the rocking.
He might crawl before Addison.
He must like the feel of that rug or something.
Looks like a little cat.
We're gonna watch a movie? Go ahead.
I'm just grabbing a couple things and we were talking and watching him play.
No, I meant, are we all gonna watch a movie down here?
Oh, Dad's already out.
He won't hear it. I still have my addiction to movies even though I don't have any time. It's pretty sad. Because I never have anybody to watch them with.
You need to move the other way.
He's like, no, I'm going that way.
He's turning.
There we go.
He's determined to go.
Because he likes to go left. He can't go right
This
now.
Way. This way.
He learned how to roll left.
Watch your head. No, you can't have the rug.
This will be a good video for Daddy if it gets to him. I don't know if I can send video.
Well, the longer you take it, the harder it is to send it.